With Christmas fast approaching, we are encouraging people to shop local, including when you're buying online. Both Black Friday and Cyber Monday have become a tradition in recent years for pre-Christmas online sales. When you're purchasing anything online, there are a number of important considerations to take into account. Spend a little time doing some research before committing to any online purchase. Make sure to find out where the business you are purchasing from is based, as this can affect your rights after any purchase. Always check the terms and conditions for a registered address before making any purchase. To make sure you're getting a good deal, try comparing prices online before committing to buy something. As always, you should be very careful with your financial details and make sure to research the credentials of any business you are buying from. Check out the Competition and Consumer Protection Commission website for some very useful tips and advice.